Meaning of cytomegalovirus. Cytomegalovirus. Cytomegalovirus.
Cytomegalovirus. Cytomegalovirus. Cytomegalovirus, CMV, is a type of herpes virus that can infect humans. The virus is spread through bodily fluids, including saliva, urine, and blood. Most people infected with CMV show no symptoms or only mild flu-like symptoms. However, CMV can be dangerous for people with weakened immune systems, such as those who have received an organ transplant or have HIV/AIDS. In rare cases, CMV can cause serious health problems, such as pneumonia, hepatitis, and neurological disorders. There is currently no cure for CMV, but antiviral medications can help manage symptoms.